Guys, so we have an urgent information coming out. Rioters in Los Angeles seen spitting on and burning American flags. Do me a favor, share this video. Very important to share it. Give this video a thumbs up. The more, the better. YouTube can actually share my video. They go by how many thumbs up. But this is very sad. Now I had to block the image because the platform kind of hit me, and I have to redo the video. But this is very sad. This is where we at. So you have the left. They are saying that this is peaceful, and they just protesting. But again, you guys seen the videos. I don't have to show it. You guys seen the videos. You seen a lot of them with their flags and waving their flags and stuff like that. Electric cars lit up on fire. I mean, you've seen it. It's all over the place. But at the same time, you know, they keep saying that it's peaceful. It just goes to tell you, we definitely in Romans chapter 1 reprobate mind. I started thinking about the one dude that they're gonna bring back to the U.S., Garcia, the one that was supposedly mistaken, sent him to El Salvador. It just kind of crazy how all that is lining up with the situation going on out there, and this is like a Hispanic Latino movement, and Garcia is coming. Please, please stay away from these movements. Stay far away from it. This is all just planned, put it like that. Please stay far away. Stay home, open your Bibles. Again, just if you receive notification of these videos, turn it off. Because what I believe was going on here, it's a deceiving system movement. Please stay far away from all this. Don't fill your mind with these things here. All right, fill your mind with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. I believe Garcia could play a huge role with this one here, being some kind of leader or something. This is crazy stuff. This is crazy stuff here. So we're gonna see what's going on here before I start. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife Jessica Santiago at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. I must remind you that ICE is going to be in California in the next 30 days. So again, there's another 27 days to go. This thing is going to hit the fan hard. And yeah, just stay safe out there. Don't join this move. Go home. If you see them with flag, go home. Don't even say nothing. Just go home. Please try to ignore it. All right, so these, see, they call it protest. These lawlessness against the US ICE operation in Los Angeles turned volatile with the demonstrator burning and spitting on American flags while chanting anti-Donald slogans. Gavin and the mayor of Los Angeles, they burning our flag. So they really don't care. It says here the unrest centered in downtown LA, and the city of Paramount prompted the LA Police Department to declare an unlawful assembly and led to deployment of 2,000 National Guard troops by the U.S. Commander-in-Chief, which, by the way, I have a video coming up. Gavin is going to sue Donald for deploying the National Guard. Donald's going to say, well, I see you in court. You failed to deploy them, so I had to step in. All right? So it says here the demonstration was sparked by a series of ICE raids across the LA, targeting illegal, including those with lawlessness history such as drug trafficking, assault, and gang affiliation. It's crazy. It's crazy where we are right now. It's like Americans defending Ted Bundy. That's where we at right now. Again, defending those lawlessness criminals. Let him go. He's a good man. It just, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? This is perilous time, perilous man. That's what it is. The minds of many is just being deceived. Stay away from all this. According to the DHS, you have ICE operation resulted in 118 arrests in LA over the week, with 2,000 nationwide. Wow. So these lawlessness groups, however, decry that the raids a strike on the immigrant communities, with some advocates claiming that legal residents were also detained. Yeah, because they are throwing objects. I mean, just common sense. They're not going to be sent out of here. They're just going to be put in jail for a few days and give them a fine and everything. On Saturday, clashes intensify in Paramount with lawlessness group block streets. See, I never knew protesters do those type of stuff. See, the protests I know, the America that I come from, protests is just, peaceful and, just in the street holding signs and playing music and stuff like that. But this here, I have no idea. Again, I don't know how California do their things out there, but man, it just, you call that protest? Man. So once again, these lawlessness group has spread on downtown LA, particularly around Los Angeles. Live entertainment complex near Crypto.com arena and demonstrator blocked lanes Figueroa and 11th Street with some waving Mexican flags while burning American ones. I guess that's what you call protest and peaceful stuff. I mean, if that's the definition, then we were taught wrong when we were young. Footage captured by Freedom News TV showed a group surrounding a burning flag, with individuals spitting on it or adding flammable liquid to fuel the blaze. That's peaceful protest, I guess. LAPD declared an unlawful assembly Sunday night, urging these lawlessness group to disperse. Agitators have splintered into and throughout the downtown area. LAPD Central Division posted on X, advising residents and businesses to report any lawlessness activity. Alright, so you have riot police, supported by the Los Angeles County Sheriff Department, use flash bangs and non-lethal munition to control crowds. Now, the U.S. Commander-in-Chief citing strike on ICE agents and the perceived inaction of California Governor Gavin Newsom and Los Angeles Mayor Karen authorized the National Guard deployment to address the lawlessness. Now, you have Donald Baltazar, Tom, defended the move, stating, "We're not going to apologize for enforcing the law." Again, this is Tom Homan defended the move, stating, "We're not going to apologize for enforcing the law." Once again, the White House emphasized that the troops were tasked with protecting federal personnel, not conducting arrests, due to legal restriction on military involvement in civil law enforcement. Now, California Governor Gavin Newsom sharply criticized the federal response, calling the National Guard deployment a purposefully inflammatory breach of state sovereignty. Well, Gavin, what do you expect? So you're going to let ICE officials get hit by rocks and stuff, right? What will you do, Gavin? What will you do if ICE officials are getting hit, jumped, vehicles damaged? What will you do, Gavin? I don't know how people still go for that, dude. I mean, again, every year there's wildfire, crazy and stuff like that. I don't know. So Gavin sharply criticized the federal response, calling the National Guard deployment, we already know that. In a letter to Donald, Gavin Newsom demanded the troops withdraw, arguing that local authorities were capable of maintaining order. Are you serious, Gavin? Have you watched the videos that we all been watching? Millions of Americans are watching. Again, ICE just went to do their job. They went after the gangs, the criminal, the one that goes after young one and bring the drugs and stuff like that. And then Cali went upside down and defended those lawlessness. Like I said, it's like Sleeping Giant Citizen defending Bundy. It's just crazy where we at right now. In a letter to Donald, okay, we already know that, the mayor described the deployment as a chaotic escalation, urging the lawless group to remain peaceful. Federal officials, including the White House press secretary, Carolyn, accused Gavin Newsom of failing to protect federal agents. Yes. Claiming his inaction allowed violent radicals and illegal criminals to strike law enforcement. Department of Homeland Security spokesperson Tricia condemned the protests as despicable, urging the left leader to denounce the violence. They haven't denounced the violence. Actually, they're standing with the lawless group. We are here together and we are going to sue Donald. Remove the National Guards. Wow. That kind of sound like, you know, you being too defiant against the commander-in-chief. We were told that we must respect commander-in-chief. You guys are not doing that. And number two, man, it sounds like tyrannical stuff going on out there in Cali. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please share the video. For those of you that want to send us letters, a prayer request, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Once again, guys, $5 a month Patreon. We get you access to our live stream once a week. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Put faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for he's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.